The common cuckoo, also known as the Eurasian cuckoo. This species typically has gray plumage on its head, neck, and chest, with white upper parts that are barred with dark gray or black. It is a widespread summer migrant across Europe and Asia, and it winters in Africa. They are found in Indian subcontinent including West Bengal. Common cuckoo are known for being brood parasites, meaning they lay eggs in the nest of other bird species, which they raise the cuckoo chicks. The females lay eggs in other birds'